one tool which I recommend for color scheme generation is this one, coolers.io. I guess you can search this name on Google. I will share the URL. So go to this generate. Okay, so I'm going to go to this generate, and it will start with some random colors. Okay, so what I suggest is that you first try to use one color you already have. Okay, so I am going to paste a color, blue color, from my color scheme, or two colors from there to get the rest of the colors. Okay, so let's go back to XD. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this blue color and this cyan color to my color scheme. Okay, so I am going to copy this value, hexadecimal value, and I'm going to go back over here. Okay, so I copied one color and I'm going to lock it over here. Okay, so press this lock and it is going to show you a closed lock. Okay, then I'm going to copy the second color over here, and I'm also going to lock this color. Okay, now I have two locked colors. Now I'm going to press space bar to get some more colors matched to these two colors. Okay, so we have this purple color. This is looking good. Also this blue color. I like this blue color, and we can also use something like this, which is a bit orange. Now in my original color scheme, I used something closer to yellow, and this purple is a bit dark purple. So you can create any color scheme. Now I'm going to press space bar again, and I like this color. Okay, then I am going to press space bar again. So you can lock any colors you like. Okay, so I have locked these four colors, so this one is only going to change. So I don't like this too yellow color. Maybe this one is good, and maybe I am going to try a few more time. I really like this yellowish color, although it is a bit dull, but I think it is going to go well with these backgrounds. Okay, so once I have this color scheme generated, I can take a image or picture of this, or I can export it in a PDF or PNG file or SVG file. So let's use SVG file. So it is created this SVG file. Now I'm going to import this SVG file into my XD. Okay, so let's move it over here. Now you can see here we have this color scheme SVG file, and I am going to make it a bit smaller like this. Let's delete this background and everything else. Now you can see you have this color scheme, and it is editable. You can see here we have 5 boxes, and you can change your color scheme. So this is how I advise you to create color schemes. You must have at least 1 or 2 colors to start with. You can grab those colors from the app icon or logo of that company and start from there. So this is all about colors and how to create color schemes instantly with this tool and these few tips. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Let's move on to the next lesson.